The first content we'll integrate into our application will be a Spotify playlist. As we discussed in the previous chapter, we'll need to have an HTML module reader in our builder. To insert a song or a Spotify playlist into our app, we'll just have to go to the Music On Demand platform, create a list of our own or search for the list we want to add, and then copy the insertion code they provide. I will insert this album, Go to School by the Lemon Twigs, which I think is suitable for this app. It's a musical that the band wrote to their kids as if it were a tale. To bring the album to our module, we go here in the Spotify program with the window of the disk we want to import open and click on this circle with 3 dots, Share Options and Copy Code. In our clipboard, we will have saved the iframe code that we will insert in our app. We'll go back to the builder, edit the HTML module we created for this, and paste it into the JavaScript editor block. Change the name to Animal Music, for example, and save. As it is now, it could be useful, but it would look like this. If we wanted the contact to go up to the inferior part of the screen, and it is guaranteed that it occupies all the width of the screen, wherever the proportions, we will return to enter and we will change the following thing. In the label that we have pasted here in width, we will indicate auto, and here in height, we will indicate 600. We save and observe that now it occupies all the width of the screen. Click on play and see how the reproduction starts. So we've managed to insert a music playlist from Spotify into our builder.